friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to send an image in WhatsApp without reduction in quality. For that, first let's get into WhatsApp. Go into any group or contact. Click this pin icon and click this document. And from this list, select a document of your required image. If you send an image as a document, then the quality of the image will not reduce. And this is an easy trick to send your image without reduction in quality. And this is a simple video to show you this, and I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video to all your friends and let them know about it, and give a thumbs up to this video. And thanks for watching this video, and say your opinion about this video in the comment section. Bye bye.